to the channel. Welcome back again to this platform. How are you all doing? So if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace, a Nigerian YouTuber who based in Faenza, Italy. So today's video is going to be, I'm going to arrange my daughter's room, taking out the winter clothes. Someone is here already. If you are in Europe, you know that. So take out the winter clothes and I replace it with our summer clothes. I will arrange our wardrobe and his brother's own as well. So maybe I'll be going out later to get one or two things for the house, like juice, children juice. No, this time children, they like juice and yogurt a lot, so I'm going to get that later. So I just want to bring you guys along. If I don't bring you guys along, what waiting like okay guys, let's go straight to the video. So guys, I was just in the good mood that morning. Anyway, for me to have chance to arrange this room, I need to make this bed first, because my daughter will just stand up in the morning and dress up and leave for school, leaving everything like that for me to arrange. Anyway, they say that's why I'm the mom that, so I have to do everything for him, but not all. She do some herself anyway. She cooks sometimes, and also she also wash the plate. Sometimes she make her bed and swept her room herself. But today I believe it's my turn, because I want to arrange everything for her today. So I make the bed. We'll be seeing me and my little man, because it's only two of us that is at home. Okay, see, look at look at him just come down here with, oh God, and you see him jumping on the bed that I just made. Look at what he's doing. Oh my God, I have to bring him down so that I'll make the bed. I finished making the bed. Now I want to bring out the summer clothes. Some are too small for him. Now I have to take the smaller ones away and keep it somewhere, so that we can find a way to give it to someone who needs them. So I will have to take out the winter out of the wardrobe, so that I can arrange the summer ones. This is what I'm doing there. So it takes me a little while to arrange these things. Well, it takes me about 2 hours and 30 minutes to arrange, because I think I stopped that day at 1:30. My daughter was already back from school before I could finish everything that day. So guys, this is what I'm doing. Keep on watching. I'm still here. So I finished arranging the boys' hole. So that is the clothes I'm keeping there on top of the wardrobe, which my daughter is not often using. So now I'm going to arrange my daughter. I'm going to take all these clothes out of here and replace it and fold the summer ones down there. So I look at it, then I have to change everything and take the hanger to the other side and just fold the clothes and put it down here like that. So I believe that was okay for her. And she got back from school. I said, Mommy, thank you. My room really looked nice and my clothes are in order. She was happy anyway. Still watching? Are you still here? We have watched to this extent. Thank you. Keep on watching. We are still in the building. So me and this my man, we are like 5 and 6. Anywhere I go is going with me. So I have to sweep the room as well. So I clean up the table and everything, make sure the room was beautiful. So after sweeping, I will just pack. Okay, keep on watching again.
Etanini
I finished cleaning. Don't be small thing as you can see. Now it's time for me to make lunch for both of them. So I'm making pasta with tomatoes and tono. Yes, I will add tono and egg for them. That is what I will be making this afternoon for both of them. Okay. After that, I will be going at hey boy, hey, see my five. Where you they go now? You just with me. I bet my people see you guys later after when I'm going at when I finish cooking. Okay. I finished cooking lunch for my gang. Everybody have eaten, even me have eaten too. Now it's time for me to go to the supermarket. I'm just like this. I'm heading out to the supermarket now, okay? See you when I'm outside. I don't know who do this. This time when we said this late, I'll just misbehave it somehow. Wow, what a beautiful way. Let me show you outside again. So guys, I'm in the supermarket. So I wanted to get green, yellow and red pepper, but the green ones is not here today, so I have to buy only the yellow and red. So I also bought onions, red onions and white onions and red onions. That is what then I got some things for my boy, keys and all these petty things. Well, this is the supermarket. We are just watching. I got some things for the home as well. Some waste cup, detergent, some candles. That I'm looking at the waste cup. Just what surprised me these days, waste cup is like something I can't explain anymore. And these days waste cup is up to, you just buy 50 waste cup for like €1.50 for only 50. But they bring this thing down, so I have to get juice for my kids and for us as well. I have to get if you like them for this summer, just say hi. Is my is my whole thing for this summer. So yeah, I'm going to get some things. This is turkey from the fridge. Hi. I was just playing there anyway. I enjoy doing this shopping a lot. Keep on watching. I'm still in the store.
Sarudo Saba Ogino Ayame wa
So guys, I'll be ending the vlog here. I'll be going home with all these things. So you have seen everything, no need of me showing you when I get back home. Okay, if you enjoy watching, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.